I'm Boss's finest. I'm here to spread knowledge on the topic of bullying. I'm here to help you help other people. Through the words that come out of my mouth, I hope it impacts your heart. I can remember those days, they were so vivid. I'd be busy standing over my shoulder, reliving it. A young snot-nosed kid, I couldn't imagine how
bullying causes nightmares and frequent headaches.
And he had a drug-addicted mother, but his step-pop was losing sin. No wonder why black and blue was his
bullying
favorite color.
Causes sudden loss of friends or avoidance of social situations.
On a cold towel floor because he couldn't afford a rug.
Bullying causes declining grades, lack of interest in school, and causes dropouts.
Me looking out the window, smelling death when the wind
bullying causes self-destructive actions to yourself and can cause suicide.
My mom was lighting resentment, but that too left an imprint in me like a tattoo. But I would still protect you, not cause I want to, because I have to. The hood raised me, it was no joke. Where our fresh air was super gunpowder and weed smoke, but we were left with no